So back when I was still playing football, I got myself like this football mentorship that was like, I was paying $20 a month to have some guys build me like a diet plan, workout plan, training plan, and give me advice for football and everything, you know, just like, it was just to get me to become a better player. This plan was like, honestly, it was pretty good, but one big problem that I had with the plan was the diet. I didn't know it at the time because I didn't understand much about diet and nutrients and calories back then. But now looking back on it, that was a horrible diet plan. As someone who played football and did gym every single day, I needed to eat a lot of food to have energy and not to lose too much weight, because you're burning a lot of calories playing football and doing gym. This diet plan didn't have nearly enough calories and it didn't have really good foods. It had like twice or three times a week you need to eat a few slices of bread with Nutella, like for the dinner. Then what? There's no place for eating Nutella in an athlete's diet. So in this video I want to help you avoid situations like this where somebody gives you a bad diet plan or something, but I also want to teach you these 3 common mistakes that I see all of the time that you should really avoid doing related to your diet if you want to have a healthy life. So to get straight into it, mistake number 1 is gonna be believing this stupid idea that all calories are the same and it doesn't matter what you eat, it just matters how much you eat. Technically, if you want to just lose or gain weight and that's your only goal, you're not concerned about anything else. In theory, yes. How much you eat is more important than what you eat. You can technically lose weight while eating only McDonald's because it doesn't matter. It's just about how much calories you put in. However, that should not be the way you're thinking about it. If you eat only McDonald's every day or any unhealthy food, if you eat much of an unhealthy food, you're gonna first of all get sick really quickly. You're gonna feel horrible. You're gonna perform horrible if we're talking about sports or whatever. You're gonna look all sloppy and weak. You're gonna get lazy. And also, if you eat too much sugar, that's gonna trigger you to want more sugar and more unhealthy foods, which is gonna make you eventually eat more even if you were planning to eat less. So don't believe this stupid idea that it doesn't matter what you eat. You need to be on a clean, healthy diet. That is really important for your health, no matter what your fitness or weight loss goals are. Second mistake that you might be doing with your diet is not eating enough. Unless you are overweight already, you should be bulking. Bulking means that you're eating more than you're burning so that you're gaining weight. So if you want to build muscle, which you should want to build, you can't build muscle while you're losing weight. It's not how it works, because muscle is weight. You need to be gaining weight to gain muscle. So if you want to get big and strong, if you want to achieve your fitness goals, you need to be eating more than you burn. Don't fall for this same mistake that I fell for. When I was like younger and I was doing gym for the first time, I was also like doing diet and I was eating a little bit of like really healthy foods, which, yeah, healthy foods, that's great, but I was eating little. I wasn't eating a lot, and I was wondering, why does my physique look so weird? I had like skinny forearms and small looking chest that I wasn't proud of. Like, yeah, I was seeing a little bit of like definition, but it was a small ass chest. I was looking skinny. I was looking weird, and that's because I wasn't eating enough to go along with my workouts. And yeah, I know you want abs, you want a six-pack, and that's, if you're bulking, you're not gonna get a six-pack. Well, be patient. Six-pack is gonna come eventually. For now, focus on building size, not a six-pack. That's gonna come. Right now, if you're a young man starting to work out or working out for some time, you need to be on a bulk so you can become big and strong like you wanna be. And the third mistake that I see a lot of people making with that is that they are not educated enough. You need to understand what you're eating. You need to know calories, nutrients, macronutrients, micronutrients, all of these things, proteins, fats, carbs. You need to know what these things mean. It's in your best interest to have a better quality of life, to understand how nutrients work, how calories work, what are you taking into your body, what foods are made of. So I'm gonna put a picture on screen right now that's kind of a tree that kind of shows all of these nutrients, these things that you need to take in, these things that foods are made of. You should go research and understand all of the terms that are on this picture, and then you will start gaining some understanding of how all of this works. This is important because when you understand how foods work, then no one can really trick you. You can understand what you're taking into your body, and it's way better than hearing me tell you you should eat this and this and this. It's better to understand and know for yourself what you need to eat. For example, a quick tip. Everyone is saying how popcorn is like the healthiest snack. Well, yes, if you make it in a natural way, but microwave popcorn is horrible. It's horribly unhealthy for you. And I was like, when I was younger, I was eating that microwave popcorn thinking that it's like a healthy thing because everyone is saying that popcorn is a healthy snack. It's not if you make it in a microwave. none of those instant foods for microwaves are healthy. If you want to see me making a video that's talking about these nutrients and things, that's explaining it in depth, I would love to make that video, so write it down in the comment. If there is interest for that, I will make it. That was all I wanted to say for this video. If you liked it, you can subscribe, you can check out more of my videos. I'm a small channel making a lot of these self-improvement videos to help you, so yeah, check out the channel if you want to. And that's all I wanted to say. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.